good and fine at your places. I'm your physical education teacher Vikrant. So class, in this class video we're starting our new unit, the unit 4. Okay. So the unit name is Physical Education and Sports for CWSN. Okay. So basically the CWSN means children with special needs. In short form we calling a Divyang persons or Divyang childrens. Okay class. So this topic basically related to the children with special needs or Divyang childrens. Okay class. So let's start the class. So class, in this class video basically we talking about this all points. Okay. So first point is we discussing about the introduction of this topic. Okay. So basically this topic is basically related to the children with various type of disabilities, just such as mental radiations, uh, disabilities such as just like deafness of or other hearing impairment, speech of language impairment, blindness, traumatic brain injury, poor body mechanic, health impairment, etc. So, thus these types of basically children with need to special program or through physical education or through sports and games. Okay. So basically we're talking about all kind of helping the and all kind of program we are doing in for the this kind of this type of children. So basically these children related to the children with special needs we calling a Divyang person, Divyang children's. Okay. And also we know about how to help a physical education this type of children's. Okay. So today topic is basically aims and objective of adaptive physical education. Okay. So in this topic we're basically talking about the meaning of adapted or adaptive physical education, aim of adaptive physical education, and the last one we're talking about objective of adaptive physical education. Okay class. So basically in this class video we're talking about all these points. Okay. So first we started from introduction part. Okay. So as starting I'm telling you this chapter or unit basically related to the children with special needs, means which type of children basically जो related to this type of disease or disabilities disorders, just like blindness, orthopedic impairment, osteoarthritis, brain injury, poor body mechanic, health impairment. Okay, this type of disabilities facing the childrens. Okay, so this through physical education develop their ability in a domestic society through the process of education, but usually it is seen that they have limited opportunities, so it's become the duty of all schools to provide them with such opportunities so that they develop their ability for the above mentioned impairment, and also the special education or related services for required. So children are unable to undertake activities that are performed by normal children. So in addition to the regular programs of physical education designed for normal children, the school must provide special physical education programs for such children who are unable to receive benefits from regular physical education program. Okay class. So basically this is the all introduction part of this unit. So in this, okay, so now we're talking about the meaning of adapted or adaptive physical education. Okay class. So class, first we're talking about what is the meaning of adapted or adaptive physical education. Okay, so first we know about the what is the adapted or adaptive physical education. Okay, so basically adaptive or adapted physical education is a sub-discipline of the physical education. Okay, so which is adapted or modified for the people who are disabled, handicapped, mentally related and blinds. Okay, the program of adaptive physical education involve specially designed programs of physical fitness, acquired skills and dance skills, individual and group games to meet the unique needs of individuals with disabilities. So adaptive physical education is a multi-line of service for the people who are not able to do the activity like a normal human being. Okay, such people may be provided modified sports and games which can play an importance role in their lives. Just example we taking recreational fitness, recreational games, fitness exercise or development of like physical, mental and social development, or more, or last thing is moral values. Okay, in adaptive physical education, educators work with students, parents, professionals in various disciplines to design training program to meet individualized needs. Okay, so first we know about what is the uh, adapted or adaptive physical education. So adaptive physical education is a sub discipline of physical education. Okay, so which is adapted or modify for the people who are facing the handicap, disables, mentally related problems. Okay, so in this adapted, basically the educators, trainers of teachers uh, plan of making a program to, and also the making a game to play with these types of persons for these persons. Okay, so adaptive physical education is the physical education which has been adapted or changes so that it may be appropriate for the differently able persons, as it for a person without disabilities. In simple words, we say it can be stated that adapted physical education is basically a specially designed physical education program for differently able students, childrens. Okay, so adapted physical education provide the safe, professionally certifying and successful experience of physical activities to children who are definitely able. Okay, it can be applied in for infants and even toddlers who need early invitations service because of development delay in physical, cognitive, communication, social and emotional aspects. So adapted physical education is not only for different able infants and students but also for the people of all ages. Okay, so we know about the what is the adapted or adaptive physical education. Okay, so class, there is some benefits of adapted or adaptive physical educations. Okay, so first benefit is building a strong bones for lifelong resistance to injury. Also, the build a strong muscles to safely support bones and joints. The next is improving the health and strength of the heart, lungs, and blood vessels. So next benefit is preventing or reducing health problems stemming for obesity, muscular-related disorders, and lung capacity problems. Okay, so next is improving mood and self-esteem. Okay, so next is increasing attention span, problem solving abilities, and motivations. Okay, provide a sense and accomplishment of and also the confidence, reducing symptoms of anxiety, depression, and ADHD. Okay, so ADHD is basically is calling a disorder. Okay, in in this disorder, basically children will be facing different kinds of problems or behaving differently. Okay, so next is teaching teamwork and important social work skills. The last benefit is improving neuromuscular development, which may have far reaching consequences for both mental and physical abilities. Okay, class, so this is the all benefits of adapted physical education. Okay, so class, now I'm telling you what is the aim of adaptive physical education. Okay, so the aim of adaptive physical education is to aid students with handicap to achieve physical, mental, emotional, or social growth conversated with their potential through a careful planned program of regular and special physical education and educational activities. Okay, so adapted physical education is a clear that parties, parties practice that influencing exercise, fitness, diet, and nutritional status can signify impact the quality and duration of life of an individual with disabilities. So, adapted physical education is defined as a program to meet the unique needs of an individual with a disabilities who is unable to fulfill participate in general physical education programs. So, therefore, we conducted the adaptive physical education program offers alternative physical education to students who cannot participate in the mainstream programs. Okay, so basically the aim of adaptive physical education program is to developing the physical, mental, and emotional, also the social growth in uh, disabled children, students, or persons through physical education program. Okay, so the aim of adapted or adaptive physical education is help or add definitely able student to achieve physical, mental, emotional, and social growth. Okay, cooperated to their potential through special and planned program of regular physical education and educational activities. Its aim to provide equal opportunity. Okay, the main aim is provide to equal opportunity to the definitely able student to participate in physical education programs safely and successfully in the latest respective environments. Okay, class. So this is the all about the aim of adaptive physical education. So, class, our next point is objective of adaptive physical education. Okay, means what is the objective of this program of physical education and adaptive? So, first is ensure service to meet special needs. Okay, so the main as well as foremost objective of adaptive or adapted physical education is to ensure the definitely able student is provided with physical education service that meets unique or special need appropriately. Okay, then second objective of adaptive physical education is to developing a motor skills. Okay, so another significant objective of adaptive physical education is to develop motor skills in students with disabilities. So, motor skills are essential for performing not only for specific tasks but daily routine activities. So, there also these skills enable the physically disabled student to become active and alive. Okay, class. So this is the second objective of adaptive physical education develop motor skills. Okay, so third number objective is enhance self-esteem and self-image. Okay, so enhance self-esteem and self-image of students who are definitely able is another important objective of adaptive physical education. So all students can do activities according their abilities. Okay, so it means students are basically facing the different kinds of problems, just like some students are handicapped, student will not able to walking normally, or basically they uh, मुश्किल से वो चल पाते हैं, मीन्स मुश्किल से चल पाएंगे या कुछ चीज़ों पे रिएक्ट कर पाएंगे. तो बेसिकली according to person or student situation. Okay, set goals for student, for example, to throw a ball 25 times. If they perform it easily after certain period of good, their goals can be set higher. That if the goals are set realistic, then student can achieve them by working on their motor skills through increasing their self-esteem and self-image. Okay, class. So this is the third objective of adaptive physical education. And fourth is ensure participation of student in physical education program. Okay, so basically it is an important objective of adaptive physical education program, because every student participating in a sports program or sports activity is the main reason of adaptive physical education program. So in this objective, adaptive physical education is to ensure that each student actively participates in physical education program regularly at one on level, and that the student is integrated into the regular education program whenever possible. Okay, class. So this is the fourth objective of adaptive physical education: ensure participation of student in physical education program. Okay, then fifth objective is improve the physical fitness level. Okay, so to improve the physical fitness of definitely able student is another vital objective of adaptive physical education. So modify or adaptive exercise are provided in the programs of adaptive physical education to improve the physical fitness level. Okay, class. So this is the five objective of the adaptive physical education. Now we're talking about the sixth number of objective. So next objective of physical education, number 6, is motivate student to protect themeless. Okay, so in adaptive physical education program, so motivate definitely able student to protect themeless under any condition that may be arranged through creating physical activities. Okay, so next is promote sportsmanship qualities. Okay, so promote sportsmanship qualities among the definitely able student is also one of the major objective of adaptive physical education. Okay, so participation in adaptive physical education program naturally improve sportsmanship qualities or sportsman's qualities. Okay, so this is the number 7 objective of adaptive physical education. Okay, so number 8 is develop knowledge of good mechanic. Okay, so develop knowledge of good body mechanics. Okay, is another important objective of adaptive physical education. So adaptive physical education help each individual to develop knowledge and sense of appreciations with regard to good body mechanic. Okay, so basically in this objective the student will be know about to how our body will be work, and which part basically we are using in other sports activities, games. Okay, so these kind of things basically we telling the students, and we teaching or we train about these types. Okay, so number 9 objective is improve social adjustments. Okay, so this is very important or very importance of the all objective of adaptive physical education. So number 9 basically is the importance in this unit related. So improve social adjustments. So basically we know about how to improving the social adjustment in social our social network or social environment. Basically it's a different kind of because this type of handicapped persons or mentally able mentally disturbed or mentally disturbed person basically is taking a different problems to adjusting in social. Okay, so to improve social adjustment among differently able students is another objective of adaptive physical education. So social adjustments are essential, especially in today's society. Okay, the participation in programs of adaptive physical education help the definitely able student to make social adjustments. Okay, it means the adaptive or disabled persons or disabled students meet the all kinds of persons just like normal person, and then same as same persons, or so he can talk and he can play with him. So this type help to adjust in society, adjustment of society. Okay, class. So this is the all objectives of the adaptive physical education. So there is a 9 objective of physical education. So first is ensure service to meet special needs. Then second is development motor skills. Third is enhance self-esteem and self-image. Fourth is ensure participation of student in physical education program. Fifth is improve physical fitness. Six is motivate student to promote themeless. Then 7 is promote sportsmanship qualities. The next is develop knowledge of good body mechanics. And last one is improve social adjustments. Okay, class. So class, I hope you all understand about the your unit 4 physical education and sport for CWNs. Okay, so basically in this video we're talking about the what is the adapted physical education, is the introduction of this unit, and also the aims and adaptive physical education. On the last thing we're talking about the objective of adaptive physical education programs. Okay, so class, Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you, class.